Hello everyone, welcome to ODIA IITian. In this video lecture, we will discuss optical mineralogy and numericals related to it, which are asking in the IITjam and get entrance frequently. The first question: a light passed from mineral A to B having refractive index of 1.750 and 1.430 respectively. The limiting value of angle of incident above which the light ray undergo total internal refraction is dash. आंसर पूछा गया है 1 decimal place में. So we know total internal refraction is the phenomenon in which light always moves from denser medium to rarer medium. The incident angle is θ1 and refracted back to the same medium by making an angle greater than critical angle, which is 90 degree. So in this case, the refractive index of denser medium is 1.750 and the refractive index of rarer medium is 1.430. So we know the incident angle is θ1 and refracting angle is θ2. According to Snell's law, sin I by sin R equal to refractive index of second medium divided by refractive index of first medium. So sin θ1 divided by sin 90 equal to 1.430 divided by 1.750. Now the answer is sin θ1 equal to 54.7 degree. Now we are going to discuss optical character of uniaxial mineral. When a ray of light passes through an uniaxial mineral in any direction other than optic axis, it breaks into two polarized light due to double refraction. O ray always vibrates in basal section, E ray vibrates in plane parallel to C axis, which are perpendicular to each other. O ray has a single vibration direction which is omega. E ray vibration direction varies with direction of crystal section. Refractive index of E ray become maximum in section parallel to C axis. The value is epsilon. In section making oblique angle with C axis, the refractive index of E ray varies between omega to epsilon. So the important note, section normal to the C axis is no double refraction takes place, which is isotopic in nature. A section normal to the optic axis, that is basal section, has one refractive index, that is omega, which is also isotopic in nature. Now we are going to discuss ray velocity diagram of uniaxial mineral. As O ray travel with same velocity in all directions, its surface can be represented by sphere. The surface of E ray is an epsilon because the velocity varies with direction. So in this case, the refractive index of E ray is less than refractive index of O ray. यहाँ पे रेड कलर में जो मार्क किया गया है, यहाँ पे O ray को हमने मार्क किया है जो एक सर्कुलर सेक्शन है, एंड ब्लू कलर में जिसको मार्क किया है वो E ray है जो एक इलिप्सॉइडल है. सो इन दिस केस जहाँ पे जिसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ज़्यादा होगा वो अंदर रहेगा. सो इन दिस केस द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ई रे इज लेस देन रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ओ रे. इन दिस केस रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ओ रे इज ग्रेटर, सो ओ रे अंदर में है. नाउ इट इज़ नेगेटिव क्रिस्टल. ये आपको याद रखना है. इसके जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर है, द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ई रे which is greater than refractive index of O ray. In this case, refractive index of E ray, which is epsilon, is greater. So in this case, ellipsoid is in between the sphere. So this is positive crystal. Next, for the biaxial mineral, it has two optic axes. These optic axes intersect each other to form acute angle and obtuse angle. The acute angle between two optic axes is called optic axial angle, which is 2B angle. Note, plane containing these optic axis is known as optic axial plane, which is XZ plane. ये आपको याद रखना है. And the Y vibration direction is perpendicular to optic axial plane, which is optic normal. So in this case of biaxial mineral, हमको बोला गया कि Z acute bisectrix जब होगा तब मिनरल पॉजिटिव होगा, एंड एक्स एक्यूट बाइसेक्ट्रिस होगा तो मिनरल नेगेटिव होगा. सो इन दिस केस हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, दिस इज जेड एक्सिस, दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस, एंड perpendicular to z and x axis is y axis. So in this case optic axial plane is xz optic axial plane and y is perpendicular to optic axial plane. So in this case, this is z axis bisectrix, which is to V angle, that is optic axial angle. In this case, z axis bisectrix, so the mineral is positive. Similarly, another case, in this case, this is x axis, this is z axis, and this is optic axis, which is y axis. So in this case, x axis bisectrix, that is to V angle, so the mineral is negative in nature. When a light passes through a biaxial crystal in direction other than an optic axis is split into three rays with mutually perpendicular vibration direction. The velocity of the ray differ from each other changes with change in crystallographic direction. Thus, the biaxial crystal, there are three vibration directions. In this case, alpha, beta, gamma are the refractive index of x, y, z vibration direction respectively. So, x, the vibration direction of first ray, in this case alpha is the slowest refractive index and beta is the highest refractive index and gamma is the intermediate refractive index. So, with the increasing order of refractive index, alpha greater than beta greater than gamma. Now, the next numerical is here. If the angular aperture of a 20x objective is 46 degree, the numerical aperture of water immersion objective dash. आंसर पूछा गया है 2 डेसिमल में. ये न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमको ये फॉर्मूला याद रखना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर्मूला. न्यूमेरिकल aperture इक्वल टू n sin angular aperture divided by 2. So, numerical aperture equal to 1.33 into sine 46 by 2. So, the answer 1.33 into sine 23. So, now हम मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर निकाल सकते हैं 0.51. If you want the notes, then join our Telegram group ODIA IITian. Link is given below. Thank you for watching this video lecture. If this lecture is informative to you, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.